If you have a Ford Escape, Mercury Mariner, or Mazda Tribute, I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace your front rotors and brake pads. Got the vehicle all set. I have it jacked up, it's blocked, I have a jack stand under it, I have the wheel off. Now it's time to remove that caliper. You need one of these H9 sockets to remove that caliper. Now there's going to be two bolts holding these calipers on, and you're going to remove this plug right here. And the screw is actually inside here. So we'll go ahead and loosen these up. And then to remove the caliper bracket, you have two bolts right here, which are 18mm sockets. Go ahead and remove those, and then we can get all of this off the rotor. Now you're going to go ahead and remove the rotor. If you have a plastic hammer, you may have to hammer around the rotor to get it loose, but it should come right off. So the next thing you need to do, you're going to put on your rotor, and then you're going to install your caliper bracket. Now you're going to want to install the brake pad into the caliper. Make sure you use some type of brake parts lubricant. Put behind this pad and behind the caliper right here as well. That will prevent any future squeaks. Now if you haven't done it already, you're going to want to squeeze in the piston because of the thickness of the new pads. You can use a C-clamp. I actually had to replace this caliper, so it's already squeezed in. But a C-clamp works really good to squeeze this piston in. Put your outer brake pad on, and then we're just going to simply slide this caliper right onto the bracket. Once you have the two caliper bolts tightened, go ahead and replace the dust caps to cover up those bolts. Now go ahead and put your pad retainer in place right here. Double check that your caliper bolts are tight and that your caliper brackets are tight. And then all we got to do is put the wheel back on. Congratulations on doing your own brakes. Saved yourself a lot of time and money. As far as rotors go, these new Bosch Ultra Quiet rotors have been some of the best rotors I've been using lately. I'll put a link in the description below on all the products I've used. And I thank you guys for watching.